nationally recognized speaker who helps ignite passion, purpose, and pride in educators across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, staff, faculty, please make some noise for the world's first superhero motivational speaker, TMoore The Motivator! Show me your fear! Show me your fear!
I just love the energy. I mean, we've seen some other motivational speakers, right? But his energy is just fantastic.
How are you feeling right now?
Nervous.
Okay, why?
Because now everybody's looking at me. I'm supposed to be brave.
Okay, stay there, don't go anywhere.
This is what students feel when they walk into the classroom. This is how students are feeling when they don't know English. This is what students are feeling when they're hungry because they don't want to tell you there's nothing at home. How do I know? I was one of them. I was one of them. So when you say, oh, the student's bad, no. When you walk into a place like this, the first instinct we have is everyone is against us. But the perspective of the real perspective is everybody here is actually for her. Right? There we go.
The speech was phenomenal. It was very motivational. It embodied everything that we believe in and everything that we still need to do.
And the fact that you all understand what it means to come to a Title I school district means a lot to us. And the fact that you can see everything, not just from a teacher's perspective, but also from the student in the classroom.
Hi, I'm TMoore The Motivator.
The world's first
Superhero.
Superhero. Motivational speaker. Now that's amazing.
Now the question I get a lot, why the superhero? Let me tell you why. Because there's a large percentage of students that come from broken homes and they have an issue with authority. How do I know? Because I was one of them.
I was a bad student because my father left. I carried this chip on my shoulder and I had this attitude of, because you don't look like me, you can't help me. But the teachers were so much of a hero, they didn't try to combat me, they listened. They were responsive, attentive. And because of that, they were patient. And so everything that I was missing, mentorship, leadership, I learned this through the educational system.
It inspired me to respect my teachers more.
It empowered me. I felt powerful. And now I'm motivated to graduate from high school.
We are programmed to think, to know that when this hero comes to help us, no strings attached, pure inspiration, hope. And that is half the battle.
In a room where you could talk about religion and politics, that definitely will divide the room. But when you think about a superhero, doesn't matter if it's comics or films, doesn't matter if you're 8 or 85, that unites a room and it brings hope.
What separates us from all these other speakers? The 3 pillars. Let's go to number 1, the environment. How do we change the environment? Whether it's an auditorium, a basketball room, a lunchroom, the library, the theater, elementary school, junior high, high school to college, no matter the environment, from inside to out, we will change it. We have stages, lighting, from truss to banners to even prizes that we give out. We do our best to change the environment. Why? Because when you can change their world, then you can change their world. Number 2, the heart.
Did you say a bully is a hero or a villain?
Villain.
A villain. Do you think there's more heroes in the world or more villains? It's a personal question.
In this world, probably more villains at the moment.
Right. Why? And what makes you say that?
Because, one, everything's kind of bad in the world.
Right. I know you guys want to be heroes and not be bullies. So do me a favor and give everyone here a round of applause. You guys go have your seat.
I wouldn't think it would be something like this. It was really awesome. I think it should be done at other schools. I think it could really change people's perspectives, really change people's lives. I think it could change people for the better.
Number 3, the mindset.
A hero and a villain have actually a lot in common. And you know what that is? Pain. Pain. The hero says, the world hurt me, and I won't let it hurt anyone else. The villain says, the world hurt me, and I'm gonna make sure everybody's hurting.
But how you use that pain will determine which one you will be.
I want you to take your cell phone light and put it in the air. Each and every one of us presents light in a dark place. This is what the children need to see. This is what the other school districts need to see. Not our percentage, but our light. Show me your fear! Do I smell fear?
We have no fear!
Do I smell fear?
We have no fear!
Show me your fear! Remember, we have to be first, because we are the Calvary.
He's already booked for us, so book him early.
Is everybody ready?